is why they have this in-game event. There are 27 million children that don't have schools in a common. Ty, we were struggling with all the traffic, so we got another ton. There you go, Ty. I want all this money gone.
Gone?
Do your best.
With all this money, man.
Buy a car.
Buy a car, that's right.
Jim. Yeah. 10 grand got put in the money box.
10 grand? You put 10 grand in the money box?
I did.
Good job! Yay!
I'm making moves. Ready to go.
Let's go! Woo! All sports. What a start to the day, baby! Woo!
Better brace yourself, feel my thunder crash. I'ma teach class, y'all keep learning.
All right, this is going lacrosse the stands. Get it?
We can just get vaccinated like Sarah.
Oh no! It's the big man. So I thought, why not try him on camera? This is the magical bean challenge.
My son.
Oh God! Oh, there's a beanstalk coming!
Boring one.
Ibs!
Anything else?
It's just gonna be too damn annoying.
You'll basically become a cancer.
There's an old saying, God may have made the world, but the Dutch made the Netherlands. This is the Maasland barrier, and it's one part of the Delta Works.
For the Delta Works, but we also did. And the water will flow freely through this area. We are standing in what we enormously costly.
It establishes a maximum risk that's allowed. So there are parts of the Netherlands that in law, it must take a 1 in 10,000 year weather event to flood. The trouble is that the predictions for what 1 in 10,000 years involves.
Você sabe quais são os 10 maiores animais do mundo?
Baleias, ursos, tubarões, girafas, crocodilos e muito mais.
Existem milhares de espécies de animais, mas hoje nós vamos ver os maiores animais que existem aqui na Terra.
Mas antes de ver esses animais, é claro, se inscreva no canal se não é inscrito.
E como de costume, vai deixar logo o seu joinha. Yeah! Deixa o joinha aí, principalmente se você gosta desse tema, de animais. E agora então, se já deixou o joinha e já é um inscrito, bora pro vídeo, puxa a vinheta.
I have an iPhone, and I had to switch to AT&T. Okay, that's wonderful. Well, I got my first AT&T bill. Right here. 300. Unboxing something really exciting. Maker, because we have had several Keurig, the different variations of them. We also have the iced coffee maker one. Yes. We have the small little tiny 1-cup ones, but this is a latte maker.
This is a full-fledged NVMe SSD suitable for use in medium performance applications like in a notebook computer, but was one of the only SSDs I'm aware of to have ever shipped in a 3.5-inch form factor. Yes, my friends, it was the size only because the 1 terabyte LT version would have set you back about $4,000. Oh, there it is. M.2 interface, your PCB, and a single...
Are you listening up? Because this is going to be very important. Erotica, yes! Let's start. Together their passionate obsession defined her path, searching the world, knowing that could possibly love. I'm not even speaking English anymore. She never disappoints. Oh my God, this is a terrible book. Why would anybody read it? Let's go with what we have so far, shall we? Ashley spent. And my plan right now is to get as many people.
Hi guys, today we're gonna learn simple Japanese words with my dad.
Yeah, it's Learn Japanese with Sean! It'll be fun, guys. Let's go!
And sugar? First up, the crystal powder. First we're gonna do white. Next is red. Last is blue. Next up we have to ask
bien contenta. Esto me decía, ¿qué traes? Yo es que estoy feliz. Realmente grabar me llena de euforia, adrenalina, la plática. Aquí al ladito tengo a Mari. Dice mi mamá que si se podía sentar a verme grabar. Y a mí me encanta. Desde que soy muy pequeña, soy muchísimo, ultra práctica. Es esta que también fue un regalo que adoro. Es como vintage y me gusta mucho por eso.
Color to paint the shirts.
Every video. Guys, I was poor as a child. Not an ounce of food was put in my body.
Something to do with the colors, but the most important thing is when you grab a color, try to put it back in the same place you got it. Because everyone look at the colors, memorize this, because this is the only chance we get to look at this.
Okay. Should we put the water up on the table first?
Trigo, vocês precisam sair daqui. Agora! Mas a gente só queria ajudar.
Vamos enfrentar os vilões juntos. O Lucas tem razão. Precisamos sair daqui. Vem.
Ei, irmão. Você não acha que foi muito duro com eles?
Nesse momento, em primeiro lugar, eu preciso pensar na proteção da nossa cidade.
I was in this like crazy, amazing country with all these things that I had never heard about and all these people that I had never met. And so I just tried, rather than spend most of my time in school, just spend my time like with people, having like conversations. And so I spent a lot of time talking. I spent a lot of time hanging out. You know, I have a whole other channel called Ari in Beijing, which I'll also link here, where I talk about like methods for language learning and that sort of stuff. So I definitely do a lot.
I think that you can use credit cards because, you know, you think Japan is a modern country itself. But what you'll find is that a lot of places here in Japan won't accept credit cards. Strange, right? I mean, who really wants to carry around cash in their pocket? You can get a Suica card or a Pasmo card. It costs about 500 yen and you can load it up to 20,000 yen in cash. So you can use it at a lot of places, but mainly it's used for train stations. So you don't need to buy a ticket each time when you get to the train, and it automatically calculates the fare when you get out.
I can't believe you're still wearing that. I can't. In other words, like, I can move all day long. This shirt feels as comfortable as me wearing a regular t-shirt. That's how much mobility I have. But also, look great. And they probably do have a place in your wardrobe, but they're going out of style. This is the reality. And again, like I told you, style is cyclical. And what we're seeing now is more fuller cuts. Cuts that are more classic. And now they're...
Milan, did I say Milan? I'm going to Milan.
Let's go, yo.
We out here, son. We out here. We in Milan. I know, right? Here's Jordy, the artist creates. That's the beauty of the internet now.
Literally getting rid of half of my closet. And if you don't believe me, come look at this. Giddy up. Okay, I'm getting rid of this. I'm getting rid of about one thing. You know what I mean? I'm gonna work a little bit harder this time and see like the best day of my life. This haul just keeps getting more interesting. Well, just when I was like, okay, I'm probably not gonna like it. But I actually, and so I actually am a Twilight Zone fan. So fuck all you guys who thought I was fake. I know it's summer, but
Hello class, today's video is very important. Today we're gonna be learning how to save lives. I feel like this one's common sense, but a lot of people don't know about it. But you can call 911 from anybody's phone, even if the phone is locked. You don't need a passcode or anything. You can still call 911 in emergencies. Also, make sure you know the emergency number when you travel to other countries because it's not 911 in other countries. So make sure you check that out, okay? Or fight me. Band-Aid hack.
Account called Raven Master, side note, RIP Vine, and it seems like this comes next. And I'm gonna add one of these cool laser sounds on top of that because that's just screaming to be a snare drum. Yeah, we've done it.